Hello, my name is Rashmi Biradar and this video is about NCERT solutions of class 6th. Chapter 1 is on knowing our numbers. Exercise 1.1 question number 1 is about fill in the blanks. A 1 lakh is equal to dash 10,000. So solution, here 1 lakh divided by 10,000. It can be written as 1 with 5 zeros and 10,000 it is written as 1 with 4 zeros. 4 zeros of denominator and 4 zeros of numerator get cancelled. Answer is 10. In B, 1 million is equal to dash 100,000. So solution is 1 million and here 100,000 is given. 1 million divided by 100,000. It can be written as 1 with 6 zeros. It is 1 million and 100,000 is 1 with 5 zeros. 5 zeros of denominator and numerator get cancelled. Remaining is 10. In C, 1 crore is equal to dash 10 lakh. Solution, 1 crore divided by 10 lakh. So it can be written as 1 with 7 zeros. It becomes 1 crore and 10 lakh is 1 with 6 zeros. So 6 zeros of denominator and 6 zeros of numerator get cancelled. Remaining is 10. So fill it with 10. D, here 1 crore is equal to dash million. Solution, 1 crore divided by million, which is equal to 1 crore means 1 with 7 zeros. Million is equal to 1 with 6 zeros. The 6 zeros of denominator and numerator get cancelled. Answer is 10. E, 1 million is equal to dash lakh. Solution, here 1 million divided by 1 lakh, which is equal to 1 million is 1 with 6 zeros and lakh is 1 with 5 zeros. So 5 zeros of denominator and numerator get cancelled. Answer is 10. So fill it with 10. Question number 2. Place commas correctly and write the numerals. A 73 lakh 75,307. It can be written as 73 lakh 75,307. From left to right, after 3 digits put comma, next with 2 digits. B, it is given as 9 crore 5 lakh 41. It can be written as 9 0 5 0 0 0 41. From left to right, after 3 digits put comma, next continue it with 2 digits. C, it is given as 7 crore 52 lakh 21,302. It can be written as 7 5 2 2 1 302. Place commas from left to right, first with a 3 digit, afterwards 2 digits. D, it is given as 58,423,202. It is given in international system. It can be written as 58,423,202. After every 3 digits, you have to place the commas starting from left to right. E, it is given as 23 lakh 30,010. It can be written as 23 30 0 1 0. Starting from left to right, place the comma after 3 digits, then continue it with after 2 digits. Third question, insert commas suitable and write the names according to Indian system of numeration. A, it is given like this. In Indian system of numeration, you have to insert commas suitably. Or I will write it once again. 8 crore 75 lakh 95,762. Write its name as 8 crore 75 lakh 95,762. 762. So it is a 8 crore 75 lakh 95,762. B, it is given like this, 8546283. You have to place commas like this as shown here and write the names, that is 85 lakh 46,283. So this number is 85 lakh 46,283. C1, it can be written as 999,000,046. So you have to place commas like this. After placing the commas, you have to write a name 9 crore 99 lakh 46. It is 9 crore 99 lakh 46. D, it is given as 984,32701. So you have to place commas like this according to the Indian system and write the name as 9 crore 84 lakh 32,701. That is 9 crore 84 lakh 32,701. Fourth question, insert commas suitable and write the names according to International System of Numeration. A1, it is 78921092. So you have to place commas like this after every 3 digits and its name is 78,921,921,092. So I will repeat it once again. 78,921,092. B, it is 745223. So you have to place commas after every 3 digits from left to right and its name is 7,452,283. Here given number is 7,452,283. C, it is given as 999,85,102. So you have to place commas after every 3 digits from left to right. Its name is 99,985,102. So number name is 99,985,102. D, it is given as 48049831. So you have to place the commas after every 3 digits from left to right, and its name is 48 million 49,831. I will repeat it once again. 48,49,831. Exercise 1.2, question number 1. A book exhibition was held for 4 days in a school. The number of tickets sold at the counter on the first, second, third, and final day was 1094, 1812, 2050, and 2751. Find the total number of books sold on all 4 days. Solution. Tickets sold on first day. Tickets sold on first day is equal to 1094. Tickets sold on second day, it is equal to 1812. Tickets sold on third day is equal to 2050. Tickets sold on fourth day is equal to 2751. Now total tickets sold is equal to 1094 plus 1812 plus 2050 plus 2751. You have to add all these 4 numbers. I will do rough work here. Here 4 plus 1 is 7. Then it is 20 to carry. It becomes 17. It is 7. So we got 7,707. Therefore, total tickets sold is equal to 7,707. Question number 2. Shekhar is a famous cricket player. He has so far scored 6,980 runs in test matches. He wishes to complete 10,000 runs. How many more runs does he need? Solution. Here runs to take is equal to 10,000. Runs to be scored is equal to 6,980. For runs required, you have to do subtraction, or I will do it separately. First write down runs required is equal to 10,000 minus 6,980. Here I will do the rough work. 10,000 minus 6,980. 0, 2, 0, 3. It is 3,020. Therefore, he needs 3,020 more runs. Question number 3. In an election, the successful candidate registered 5,77,500 votes and his nearest rival secured 3,48,700 votes. By what margin did the successful candidate win the election? Answer. Here, number of votes secured by successful candidate. Number of votes secured by successful candidate, it is given as 5,77,500, and number of votes secured by rival is, it is 3,48,700, 3,48,700, and margin between them means you have to subtract these two number of votes, which is equal to 5,77,500 minus 3,48,700, or you do the rough work here. So after subtracting, we will be getting 0,08822. So here margin is 2,28,800. Therefore, the successful candidate won by margin of 2,28,800 votes. Question number 4. Kirti bookstore sold books worth rupees 2,85,891 in the first week of June and books worth rupees 4,768 in the second week of the month. How much was the sale for the 2 weeks together? In which week was the sale greater and by how much? Answer. Here books sold in first week. Books sold in first week is equal to 2,85,891, and books sold in second week is equal to 4,768. Now total books sold is equal to addition of these two. So do the rough work. 2,85,891 plus 4,768. After adding, we will be getting 9,5,6,6,8,6. So it is 6,86,659. Since 4,768 is greater than 2,85,891. Therefore, book sale of second week is greater than that of first week. Book sale of second week is greater than that of first week. Books sold in second week is equal to 4,768, and books sold in first week is equal to 2,85,891. Both are given in the question itself. Now we have to find the difference, which is equal to 4,768 minus 2,85,891. So do the rough work at the right side. 4,768 minus 2,85,891. After subtracting, we will be getting 7, 7, 8, 4, 1, 1. So it is 1,14,877. Therefore, 1,14,877 more books were sold in second week. Question number 5. Find the difference between the largest and the smallest number that can be written using the digits 6, 2, 7, 4, 3 each only once. Answer. We have to find the greatest number and the smallest number. Greatest number. So first write down the digits here 6, 2, 7, 4, 3. So using these digits we can write 7, 6, 4, 3, 2. And the smallest number is equal to 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. And its difference is 76,432 minus 23,467. Do the rough work here. After subtracting, we will be getting 5, 6, 9, 2, 5. So it is 52,965. Therefore, the difference is 52,965. Question number 6. A machine on an average manufactures 2,825 screws a day. How many screws did it produce in the month of January 2006? Answer. Screws produced in one day, it is given as 2,825. So screws produced in one day is equal to 2,825 and days in January are 31. Then screws produced in 31 days. Screws produced in 31 days is equal to 2,825 into 31. If you can multiply, then multiply directly or do the rough work. 2,825 into 31. After multiplying with 1, it becomes 2825. Then afterwards multiply it with 3. Then it becomes 5, 7, 4, 8. Add these terms, it becomes 5, 7, 5, 7, 8. So it is 87,575. Therefore, screws produced in the month of January 2006 is equal to 87,575. Question number 7. A merchant had rupees 78,592 with her. She placed an order for purchasing 40 radio sets at rupees 1,200 each. How much money will left with her after the purchase? Answer. The cost of one radio is equal to rupees 1,200. The cost of 40 radios is equal to 40 into 1,200. It is not 200, it is 1,200. 12 into 4 is 48 and these 3 zeros. It becomes 48,000 rupees. Now total money with merchant is rupees 78,592. The sum of money spent by her is rupees 48,000. The sum of money spent by her is rupees 48,000. Now money left with her. For money left, you have to subtract these two numbers, that is 78,592 minus 48,000. Then it becomes 29503. That is 30,592. Therefore, rupees 30,592 will remain with her after the purchase. Question number 8. A student multiplied 7,236 by 65. Instead, by multiplying it with 56, by how much was his answer greater than the correct answer? Answer. Difference between 65 and 56 is 65 minus 56 is 9. So, difference between 65 and 56 is 9, and difference in the answer is equal to, the number given is 7,236. So, it is 7,236 multiplied with 9. 9 6 is 54, 9 3 is 27 plus 5 32, 9 2 is 18 plus 3 is 21, 9 7 is 63 plus 2 is 65. So it is 65,124. Therefore, his answer was greater than the correct answer by 65,124. Ninth question. To knit a shirt, 2 meter 15 centimeter cotton cloth is needed. Out of 40 meter cotton cloth, how many shirts can be stitched and how much cloth will remain? Answer. Cotton cloth, to knit one pant, it is needed is 2 meter 15 centimeter. We can convert all this into centimeter, that is 2 into 100 centimeter plus 15 centimeter, which is equal to 200 plus 15, that is 215 centimeter. Now length of cotton cloth is, so total length of cotton cloth, it is given as 40 meters. So this 40 meters also convert it into centimeter. 40 into 100 centimeter, that is 4,000 centimeters. Now number of shirts can be stitched is equal to 4,000 divided by 215. Here I am dividing it separately, 4,000 with the 215. Now 215 ones are 215, remainder is 185. Put 0, then 215 into 8 is 1720. So after subtracting, we will be getting 130 as the remainder. And quotient is 18. Therefore, 18 shirts can be stitched. 18 shirts can be stitched and 130 centimeter, that is 1 meter 30 centimeter cloth will remain. 10th question. Medicine is packed in boxes, each weighing 4 kg 500 grams. How many such boxes can be loaded in a van which is not able to carry beyond 800 kg? Answer. Here, weight of one box is given as 4 kg 500 grams. So, write here weight of one box is equal to 4 kg 500 grams, or convert it into grams, which is equal to 4 into 1000 plus 500, that is 4500 grams, and maximum load can be loaded in van is 800 kg. Maximum load can be loaded in van is equal to 800 kg, that is 800 into 1000 grams, which is equal to 8 lakh grams. Now, number of boxes loaded in the van is equal to, or number of boxes is equal to 8 lakh divided by 4500. Now, divide 8 lakh with 4500. I will do the rough work here. $4,500 into 1 is 4,500 and remainder is 3,500. Take 1 0 here. Again it will divide with 7. So 4,500 into 7, it is 31,500. So after subtracting these two numbers, the remainder is 3,500. Again one more 0 is there. Take this 0. Again it will divide with 7. It is 31,500. After subtracting, the remainder is 3,500. And quotient is 177. So after dividing, you have to write the quotient as 177. Therefore, 177 boxes can be loaded. Eleventh question. The distance between the school and the house of a student's house is 1 kilometer 875 meter. Every day she walks both ways. Find the total distance covered by her in 6 days. Answer. Distance between school and house is 1 kilometer 875 meter. So, distance between school and house is 1 kilometer 875 meter. We can write it in meters, that is 1 into 1000 meter plus 875 meter, which is equal to 1875 meter. Now, distance covered each day means every day she walks both ways, means distance covered each day is equal to 1875 into 2, that is 3750 meters. Now, distance covered in 6 days. Distance covered in 6 days is equal to 3750 into 6, which is equal to 22,500 meters. Therefore, distance covered in 6 days is equal to 22,500 meters, or it is 22 kilometer 500 meters. 12th question. A vessel has 4 liters and 500 ml of curd. In how many glasses, each of 25 ml capacity, can it be filled? Answer. Capacity of vessel is 4 liters and 500 ml. So right here, capacity of vessel is equal to 4 liter and 500 ml. It can be converted to ml, that is 4 into 1000 ml plus 500 ml, which is equal to 4500 ml. Now, capacity of glass. So, capacity of glass, it is given as 25 ml. Now, number of glasses that can be filled, is equal to 4500 divided by 25. So do the rough work here. 4500 divide it with 25. 25 ones are 25. Remainder is 20. Take 0. 25 eights are 200. Again it is 0 here. Then in the quotient append 0. So we got a quotient as 180. So therefore 180 glasses can be filled. Exercise 1.3, question number 1. Determine the following by using general rule. First one, 730 plus 998. Answer. Here 730 rounding off to 700 and this 998 it is rounding off to 1000. Now estimated sum is equal to 700 plus 1000, which is equal to 1700. Now second one, its answer 796, it is rounding off to 800 and 314 it is rounding off to 300. Now estimated difference, it is equal to 800 minus 300. 800 minus 300 is 500. Third one, 12,904 plus 2,888. So this 12,904 is rounding off to 13,000 and this 2,888 is rounding off to 3,000. Now estimated sum is, it is equal to 13,000 plus 3,000, that is 16,000. Now fourth one, 28,292 minus 21,496. So this 28,292 is rounding off to 28,000 and 21,496 it is rounding off to 21,000. The estimated difference, it is equal to 28,000 minus 21,000, which is equal to 7,000. Question number 2. Estimate the following by rounding off the values to nearest hundreds and a closer estimate by rounding off to nearest tens. First one, 439 plus 334 plus 4317. Answer. First, I will find rounding off to nearest hundreds. This 439 is rounding off to 400. 334 is rounding off to 300. And 4317 is rounding off to 4300. Now its estimated sum is equal to 400 plus 300 plus 4300. You can do directly or do the rough work. 0005. It is 5000. Estimated sum is 5000. Now rounding off to nearest tens. Now same numbers only, we are rounding up to nearest tens. 439 is rounding off to 440. 334 is rounding off to 330. And this 4317 is rounding off to 4320. Its estimated sum is 440 plus 330 plus 4320. Do directly or do the rough work. 440 plus 330 plus 4320. It is 5090. So estimated sum is 5090. Second one, 1,08,734 minus 47,599. Answer. Rounding off to nearest hundred. This 1,08,734, this value is rounding off to 1,08,700. And 47,599 is rounding off to 47,600. Its estimated difference is equal to 1,08,700 minus 47,600. So after subtracting these two numbers, it is 61,100. Now rounding off to nearest tens. This 1,08,734 is rounding off to 1,08,730. 47,599 is rounding off to 47,600. Its estimated difference is equal to 1,08,730 minus 47,600. After subtracting these two numbers, it will be 61,130. Third one, 8,325 minus 491. Rounding off to hundreds. This 8,325 is rounding off to 8,300 and 491 is rounding off to 500. Its estimated difference is equal to 8,300 minus 500. So after subtracting these two numbers, 8,300 minus 500 is 7,800. Now rounding off to tens. 8,325 is rounding off to 8,330. 491 is rounding off to 490 and its estimated difference, it is equal to 8,330 minus 490. After subtracting these two numbers, it will be 7840. Fourth one, 4,89,348 minus 48,365. First, rounding of two hundreds. This 4,89,348, this number is rounding off to 4,89,300. And 48,365, this number is rounding off to 48,400. Its estimated difference is equal to 4,89,300 minus 48,400. So after subtracting these two numbers, it will be 009044, that is 4,40,900. Now rounding off to tens. This 4,89,348 is rounding off to 4,89,350. And 48,365, this number is rounding off to 48,370. Its estimated difference will be 4,89,350 minus 48,370. So after subtracting these two numbers, it will be 089,044, that is 4,40,980. Third question, determine the following by using general rule. First one, 578 into 161. Answer, 578 is rounding off to 600. 161 is rounding off to 200. Then the estimated product will be 600 into 200. It is equal to 1,20,000. Second one, 5,281 into 3,491. 5,281 is rounding off to 5,000. And 3,491 is rounding off to 3,500. Now the estimated product, it is equal to 5,000 into 3,500. 3,500 into 5,000, it is equal to 175 and 5 zeros. That is 1,75 lakh. Third one, 1,291 into 592. This 1,291 is rounding off to 1,300 and 592 is rounding off to 600. The estimated product will be 1,300 into 600. 13 6 are 78 and 4 zeros. That is 7,80,000. Fourth one, 9,250 into 29. Answer, this 9,250 is rounding off to 10,000. And 29, it is rounding off to 30. Then the estimated product is equal to 10,000 into 30. 1 3s are 3 and 5 zeros. Then it is 3 lakh. Estimated product is 3 lakhs. Thank you for watching my video. Please like it and subscribe my channel.